So first what we do, we need to create the one folder where you want in your file explorer. After you need to enter inside the folder. After that you need to write the cmd command in the file explorer address bar. When we enter on that, so after that when you will enter, you will able to open the command prompt in the related file paths. So now we are in the Angular training folder F drive. After that, we need to run the command for creating the application. So ng, and after then you need to write the application name which you want to create. So I am going to create the application name is the demo, app demo. So after doing that, ng space app hyphen demo. App demo is the application name and ng is the command. Using the ng only, we will do everything. This ng command is related to the Angular CLI. So using the Angular CLI only, we are able to create the project here. If you won't use the Angular CLI, previously when the Angular 2 and Angular 2 came, that time the Angular, after enter, see here the problem is coming. The specified command f-demo is invalid. For the list of available options, run ng help like that it is saying. So I'm going to do some different way. Now I will enter. Again we are getting the problem here. So the command is incorrect here. For creating the application, we need to use the different command, not only ng. So here we need to use the ng new, after then app hyphen demo. This is the complete command for creating the application using the Angular CLI in the Angular here. So when you click on it, enter. So now it is asking, would you like to add Angular routing? If you want to add a routing in your application, so you put S. So I will recommend you when you create the application, so put S only here. We need for routing. Click on it. Now it is asking what you want to use for styles. You want to use the CSS or you want to add SCSS, SAS, less stylus, what you want to use. So I will prefer the SCSS. For styling purpose, you can take anything, CSS, SAS, anything. So the application will comes with that style. So enter. After entering that, it is started for creating the application. So after some time, your application will install here. Once the application will create using the Angular CLI, so we will be able to check this here inside the Angular training, as we have created the folder inside the F directory. Inside that we are able to get this app demo. It is created the app demo folder, as we have taken the name ng new. After that name came here as application name. Inside this application, we will get lots of the files here. Some E2E, NGA, node modules, SRC, all those things is coming inside that. So still our application is creating. it will take some time because we have lots of the libraries need to load inside that. Library is nothing but the package in terms of Angular, in terms of the node package manager. So installation completed now, and when the installation completed, so after then we will able to run the application. So we can run the application from here also, but we will use the Visual Studio Code for coding and running the application. So I'm going to close this now, the command prompt, and now we will able to see here in the file explorer that our app demo is completely created here. The folders came E2E, ng modules and src. For the folder, how it works, what are the folder here, and what are the importance of those folders, why those folders is needed for the Angular. We will discuss about that tomorrow. For that, today only we'll run the application, and tomorrow we'll discuss about the folder structure, how works the Angular, what are the requirements of the package.json, angular.js, tsconfig.json, what are those things, why need the node modules, what is the src, what is the e2e, all those things we'll discuss tomorrow. And now I'm going to take this application in the Visual Studio Code. So whoever don't have the Visual Studio Code, whoever is not aware about the Visual Studio Code, I hope everyone aware about it. But whoever is not, if anyone is there, so I will tell you, just go to the VS Code download here only. So in the VS Code, when you go to the Visual Studio Code here, from here you can download it. This is the download for the Windows. You can download from here. When you click on it, you will be able to download and you can install as a regular MSI file you install. So from here you can download and install the Visual Studio Code. After that, you need to open the Visual Studio Code, and here in the file, when you click on the file, you will get to open the folder. When you click on the open folder, so one wizard will come. Inside the wizard, when we will come go to the F drive where you have created that. Inside that, the Angular training is there folder. Inside the folder, we have the project. So select your project which you have created using the Angular CLI. After then, select on the select folder button. Click on it. Now your application is opened inside the Visual Studio Code. So now you are able to manage the application using the Visual Studio Code completely. From here, when we use the control and tilde button, control plus tilde, when we click on the control plus tilde, that time the terminal will open in Visual Studio Code. This is Visual Studio Code terminal. This is like a command line, and this is like a command prompt only. Now here we are getting the path F, Angular training and app demo. Like that we are getting the path here. And now for running the application using Angular CLI, in Angular we need to use the ng command, and after ng we need to use the serve, ng serve, or you can use the ngs also. This is the shortcut, or you can use the ng serve also. So I'm going to use the shortcut ngs. After that, I'm going to use the -o. -o nothing but when you will use the -o, So whatever the default browser you have set in your system, the your application will mirror. After that, the application will open in the default browser by default. You no need to uh, enter the code and everything. So here I'm not going to use the hyphen o for first now. When you click, when you enter the ng serve or ngs, after writing the command ng serve or ng serve, when we enter, so your application compilation will start. So here it is asking you want the all Angular analytics are not here. Means whatever you are doing the activity for this project, you want to store these things or not in the Angular analytics. You want, you can put S, and you don't want, you put no. So it doesn't matter. So I'm going to put Y S. So ng analytics project off. If you want to later if you want to off this sharing the knowledge about your application in ng analytics, so you can off also using this command ng analytics project off, like that. So our application compilation is started now. So now our application is compiled successfully, and here when the compilation started, so when the compilation is finished, that time we are getting one comment here. Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4200. By default, the port of this Angular server is a localhost. The port is 4200, and the host is the localhost only. So you click, you open your browser. On the browser, anywhere in the browser, anywhere you can in any browser you can write localhost, and after then 4200. When we enter here, so now the application came. As we created the application name, here's the app demo. So app demo app is running here now. So after creating the application, you will get this design, all those things they have implemented inside the application. So when we will start the implementation, so we will remove all those things whatever you are getting here now. So this is the things for complete installation and introduction about the Angular, and now our application is run successfully. So this is the all about for today's session. Well, tomorrow session we'll discuss about the folder structure of Angular application, and how to start the writing first hello world program in the Angular. Okay, so I'm closing this meeting now. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the folder structure in Angular. I will share the videos. Whoever want, they can download that. I will share the link for downloading the video. No need to worry about it.